In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QuickBooks backup file and send it to your accountant. This is a simple but very useful task, especially if your accountant needs a complete copy of your company file for review, cleanup, tax preparation, or record keeping. Creating a backup helps preserve your data in a secure file, and it also gives you a reliable copy you can share when needed. To begin, open QuickBooks and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click on File to open the main menu. From there, select Backup Company and then choose Create Local Backup. This option allows you to create a full backup file directly on your computer or another storage location that you choose. As you move through the saving process, QuickBooks will prompt you to decide where you want to store the backup. Take a moment here to choose a location that is easy for you to find later, such as a clearly labeled folder on your desktop, Documents folder, or an external drive if that is part of your normal workflow. You will also be asked to name the backup file. It is a good idea to use a clear, recognizable file name so you can identify it quickly when it is time to send it. A simple naming style that includes your company name and the date can make things much easier for organization. Once you have selected the location and entered the file name, click Save. QuickBooks will then create the backup file for you. Depending on the size of your company file, this may take a few moments, so just give it time to finish. When the process is complete, your backup is ready. Now that the file has been created, you can send it to your accountant. Before sending it, make sure you know where the file was saved so you can easily attach it to an email or upload it through whatever secure file sharing method your accountant prefers. If the file is large, keep in mind that email may not always be the best option, so a secure upload portal or shared drive may work better. And that's it. You've successfully created a QuickBooks backup file and prepared it to send to your accountant. This is a quick process, but it can make collaboration much smoother and help ensure your financial data is shared accurately and safely.